Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with two custom drawings of Vegeta made for Sebastian and Kayseph. I hope I spelled your names right, guys. Alright guys, let's start after the intro. Okay guys, let's start with the Vegeta drawing I did for Kayseph. He contacted me on Instagram and asked me if I could draw Vegeta in his first ever appearance in Dragon Ball Z when he destroyed the planet Arlia with Nappa. He had these colors back then. I actually liked this design because it's very unique. Kayseph wanted me to draw Vegeta just like in the image, when Vegeta is coming out of his capsule, but with my own touch of course. I liked the idea very much because I don't think that we saw any drawings of Vegeta in this style. Make sure to thumb up the video and then we can check out the drawing process together guys. Let's go! Alright guys, the drawing is done and I think it turned out great. I kept it original to the reference, but I made Vegeta using his scouter, because it just looks cool. And I didn't give Vegeta much shading on this drawing, because back then the characters didn't have that much shades. The artwork was much more simple in the 90s. But I think it looks great guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, this Vegeta drawing is a custom design made for Sebastian. He contacted me after buying the original drawing of Goku Super Saiyan Namek style from my Etsy shop and asked me if I could draw Vegeta also from the Namek saga with this Saiyan armor and also battle damaged. I think it's a very good idea as I also never drew Vegeta like that. Alright guys, give this video a like if you haven't already and then we can check out the drawing process of the second Vegeta drawing. Let's go! Alright guys, done. And I think this one also turned out great. I have to say I drew this one from memory. I just used the reference for the hair and the armor. And drawing Vegeta in this style was also very fun. I also tried to draw him in the 90s style. Back then the artwork was a lot more edgy and more comic-like. It's a great art style, but I'm a huge fan of the Cell and Boo Saga artwork. It's my personal favorite. Alright guys, now we can see both old school Vegeta drawings side by side. Which one you think is better? Which style is your favorite? And which Vegeta is better drawn? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below guys. And I want to thank Sebastian and Kayseph for commissioning me with these fun drawings. I really appreciate the support guys. If you also want to commission me with custom drawings, send me an email to arttolg@gmail.com or message me on Instagram so we can talk about your ideas and commission prices. Make sure to subscribe if you are new, and again, give this video a like guys, that would help my channel a lot. That's it guys, thank you for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.